In 2013, there was a tornado that came in unexpectedly, and it completely decimated an entire Habitat for Humanity community in less than 20 minutes. 6 lives were lost that day. Every family was displaced for more than 6 months.
Rancho was the hardest hit area. In typical Rancho fashion, the community came together.
The sense of community that this place brings is just above and beyond. If you need anything or just to talk to anybody, they're there for you. We just love it here.
My favorite programs are the parent cafes, the community dinners, the after-school program.
We look to focus on the whole family. It's giving a safe place for the kids to play. It's giving a warm meal. It's just bringing community together. We have our food distributions, we have our hygiene programs, but really it's about building relationships and connecting people together.
I am so excited about the opportunity to, one, obtain that land, which we did in April, but now to look at developing it in a way that we can serve not just a small section of Hood County, but all of Hood County. And that starts with a community garden.
The garden is just such an excellent opportunity on multiple levels. The ability to teach the kids and even the families about growing your own food and producing those types of things is pretty invaluable.
Kubota wants to give back to the community, give back to agricultural, give back to people that don't understand what gardening or anything to that effect is.
Through working with the horticulture and plants and learning about it, the science of it, it's educating our youth.
Thank you, Kubota, for making an investment in our hometown.
Vote for us for the Community Choice Grant.